Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Bit Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a callouts shapes on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you want to know more about the Excel, you just subscribe this channel and we just quickly move on into the video. So how to insert a callout on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So it's simple to make a callout here. So for an example, click on the insert option first. And you can see option called shape. Click on this arrow section, and here you just scroll down and you can see this on the last center. So we have a different type of shapes for the callouts, like a cloud callout or normal cloud callout, and also the box callout. So these are the common callouts that we just using for the animation for thinking purpose. So you can just extend those callouts like this, and you can just keep this here. So you can have a different sizes here. You just double tap on the center, and here you can double tap on the color center. Here you can just type how to like that, whatever you just need to make about thinking like that. And you can also just make this and right click here, and you can see you can just also align this center if you just need it, and make a enter option to make it on the center. This is how you just create a callout shapes on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super viable content. This is Tilak signing up from Tech Bit Unique. Have a wonderful day.